going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So it's Monday night and I wanted to take my checkmate out for a little test spin, but I want to show you guys what's going on right now. Every single line is all jet ski rentals. All these jet ski rental companies are taking out the jet skis now, and I can't launch my boat. See these long trailers? That's to stick four to six jet skis on each one. Fish and wildlife right there. You're just observing everything that's going on. Can't really do much. Let's see, it's high tide right now. Let's see if we can finally launch the checkmate. Alright, if you don't know, I run this boat off the iPad using the Mercury vessel view. There's the Mercury vessel view, and once I turn it on, it connects to the device. You start scanning through Bluetooth, and then all my gauges pop up. The only thing that's not working currently is my miles per hour, and I'm not sure if that's a setting with the iPad or what's going on. It just randomly stopped working. So I click here, move to the side. I can see pretty much all my stuff, so the RPMs, the voltage, the engine temperature, and the hours. So we just launched out of a marina that I call Prairie Jungle Marina. I always forget the exact name of it, but it's right next to Prairie Jungle. So I forgot that it's high tide. And look how low this bridge is. Let's hope we make it. I think we'll make it. I think we're good. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Oh yeah. Very good. Oh, there's that famous houseboat that costs like $4 million. Look at this thing, guys. This is technically a houseboat that has stilts that hold on to the floor, that go all the way down to the floor and lifts us up. But look at that. Let's see more. Arc Up Miami. ArcUp.com. ARKUP.com. I guess you can see more pictures of this beautiful thing. This is the first time I see it in person. Alright, we're officially in the channel. Let's go. Woo! Look at that takeoff! Let's go! Right up on plane, baby! Woo! Woo! Back! My baby's back! Alright. This bridge I don't gotta slow down for. I can go up on plane on this bridge. We resume normal operations right there next to the bridge. This is the choppy side, so I can't really go fast until I get next to the port. Passing this big yacht. Alright guys, flat water, let's open her up a little bit. I'm still trimmed all the way down, let's start trimming up. I'm gonna give you a little tour of the Miami River at night on a Monday. Not really too crazy, but you still have your charter boats here and there. But we're gonna go probably to Casablanca, then we'll do a U-turn. Go back, maybe go visit the island and then go home. I just want to come out for a little cruise on this beautiful night, guys. Hope you're enjoying the video. Make sure to subscribe, drop a like. So I'm gonna make some of you guys laugh. I was literally in my living room. I walked to the kitchen, I opened up the fridge, and I grabbed myself some Arizona. And then I tell myself, I wanna go for a nighttime ride. So I hooked up the boat, and left. I didn't even put gas or nothing. So now I'm drinking my Arizona in the river on the boat on a beautiful night. Life can't get any better, guys. Love living in Miami. Arizona is not sponsoring this video, but they should. There is one bad thing about the Mercury Vesta view. It's always kind of disconnecting itself. And it's a little annoying, but I guess you don't always have to be looking at your gauges. If something's going on, you're gonna hear the beeps. Beep, 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 beep. I mainly only use this, honestly, just to see the RPMs. And it works perfect for that, when I need it to. See, like right now I press, and there we go, we got it again. So, there we go. Alright guys, so this is Bayside, Miami. It's a marketplace. Have a bunch of shops. There's a Hooters restaurant up there. There's a Hard Rock restaurant over there. There's a Latin America restaurant. bunch of good restaurants. I haven't been here in years, but it is a nice place to come if you've never really been to Miami or you're new to Miami. I really go that fast. I can't see the wave.